I went shopping today.
Like, first off, if you're gonna be talking to us, like, don't be texting me and like other girls because I will find out. If you're gonna be talking to anyone, if you're gonna be talking to me, it's better. I don't take others. I don't take. Do that. Then I'm not gonna take you back. And so then I don't want you to sit there.
You didn't even listen. My door does not swing in your direction.
Oh my god. We're going to take a special member of this family.
She's in there with the good and bad times.
Her name's Fiona.
Serious.
I'm gonna party still. We're gonna party this way.
Over the way. What did the fast do?
Okay, no.
She is covered. Like, that is just crossing the face of the mouth. Oh, hell no.
Oh,
I would have my bitches up in the house.
I just don't understand, like, what I did wrong. I thought I loved you so much.
Oh my god, you know what I hate? Oh my god, we are so done. I'm so glad we're done. Oh my god, I love him. We are so done. I hate you so much. I love you so much. You're the best thing that's ever entered my